Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change brightness level manually, enable or disable screen portrait orientation lock, change automatic screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, manage night light, enable it and change its intensity, enable or disable dark mode, change wallpaper, adjust font size, display size, manage briefing light. For example, you can enable it or disable to charge, battery low or event miss. Then you can manage screen record. For example, you can enable microphone, device audio or show tabs. Next, you can manage screen saver, lock screen settings. For example, you can select notifications on lock screen to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can enable or disable head-up, change color temperature and screen optimization, enable or disable real-time network speed, and hide notifications icon from status bar. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.